What is going on, guys? I just got done pressure washing a ton of these brackets. Some of them are still wet. Degreasing, all that good stuff. I'm going to end up not painting all these. If it ends up coming out in the future, I might want to do it then, or if I ever build a second motor, I might do it all perfect then, but it's been too long since this thing has been in the garage and I want to get it running and eventually driving. I am going to thread chase all the holes in the block and then start bolting stuff on. It's time for all the accessories. I'll probably start front to back with the thermostat, water pump, and go from there. All right, so this is the old one. This is the so-called replacement, but it is definitely not gonna work. This is pushed way too far back. So this bearing is okay, but I'm just gonna order one of these from Mopar. Now is also a good time to make sure it rotates freely. Some of the Chinese made, even Flow Cooler, have been known to grind on the back side a little bit. So definitely make sure it's good to go. I'll try to get a good angle of how close it is. It is not touching. There's probably a 1/4 inch, maybe 1/2 inch in between there. It is important, ask me how I know, that you put the air conditioning compressor mount slash, I guess this would be where your fan goes on first before you put on the alternator bracket.
What is that?
All right, now there's 3 of these. This short one goes down on the bottom.
Are you ready for dinner?
Yes.
Like 2 minutes.
Okay. I'm gonna keep this on super loose. Now tighten it all. No fan. I'm fairly certain this one is for ground. And then this one with the little skinny is going to be for the dipstick. I don't know. That looks kind of right. Accessory brackets are on, motor mounts are on. Everything is looking pretty dang good. All the clearances are perfect, and I'm still motivated. So I think next up is going to be sealing this up. So spark plugs, and I'll probably just throw the coil pack on, and then let's see, camshaft sender, start putting the throttle body on, as well as all these different sensors, get the fuel rail on, and really just seal this up, get it ready for the rat's nest of a wiring harness that has to go on next. 4 spark plugs, maybe that'll focus. There it goes. I went with an OE type double iridium spark plug from Bosch. Also, for those of you who have been watching my the videos of my tools, I said I thought I was only going to be, or I was going to get away with only having metrics. And this is technically the downfall. I think there is a millimeter conversion, but this is what I have for spark plug. And obviously these go to like 600 foot-pounds, so really just get in there with an impact wrench. It's more efficient.
The one thing that has yet to come back is the biker shorts underneath jean shorts.
Underneath jean shorts?
Yeah.
That's
So like
weird.
longer biker shorts and then short jean shorts.
That's weird.
Or long leggings and biker shorts over the long leggings.
All right, I got everything on. I ended up having to pull this back off to get to these little screws. And I don't know if you noticed before, but there was no thermostat when I put this thermostat housing on. So I am big dumb, but everything should be right. And we should be ready for that wiring harness. I'm not even gonna attempt to transition on that one. I have the wiring harness on, plugged into all the sensors. These go to the O2. This could definitely be cleaned up a lot. I just have these clips holding it in place. I wanna get it in and started, and then I'll probably come back, clean this up, toss some new, of this like plastic shielding on. It needs work. It needs a lot of cleaning up, bits and bobs. But it's gonna fire up. So I've got two leads coming off of it. One goes back to the transmission and the other goes to the ECU. So I'll just wrap those up on the engine and that's it. I mean, it's super, super simple. Just maybe, I don't know, like including the injectors, probably 20 clips to plug in, and that's it. I'm gonna call it a night here. I feel like I've gotten a ton of progress done. This thing is ready to go back in and get connected. For that, right now, I think the plan is to get the engine on the hoist and drop it in from the top, and then connect everything down at the bottom, and then lift the drivetrain up back into place as a whole. I feel like that's gonna be the easiest, but we'll play with that once we get there. I'll probably also give this a nice degrease and spray down. But that's it. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the next one.